गाइस समटाइम्स यू मीट पीपल इन लाइफ जिनके लिए बस आप सिंपैथी फील करते हो. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Annie from Pakistan, currently studying at a Korean university. So I have an experience to share with you guys where I signed up for this course, which was apparently an advanced course and freshers were not supposed to take that. But I was not aware of that, and the professor who was teaching this course, she called me to her office. Now, for the context, guys, this professor is really notorious for her mean attitude towards students. Anyways, I went to her office and she was really angry and frustrated over the fact that I chose her subject when I should not have. And I kept apologizing, telling her that the files that were shared with us for guidance did not mention anything like that. Like, we have to meet certain criteria in order for us to register for this course, but she was not listening. She was saying again and again that my story meant nothing to her, and she was basically adamant on blaming me and not listening anything in my defense. So I just kept quiet, listened to whatever she said, and then came back to my lab. At that time, I was really feeling bad and was hurt by her behavior, and I was like rethinking our conversation. That was the moment a thought struck me like a bolt that Annie, the way she behaved with you is the projection of her insecurities, her nature, and that has nothing to do with me. Honestly speaking, guys, I'm sharing this out of my experience. I'm not saying this because I have listened to some motivational talk and I'm here telling you guys. No, I was indulged in this self sympathy. I was questioning that why she has to be why she has to like behave this way. But here's the thing: we cannot control other people's behavior, but we can control how we respond. I could have carried that moment, replayed it over and over, as I always did, and let it define my words. But at that moment, my perspective shifted. I told myself that this isn't about me, this is about her. And when I saw it like that, I didn't feel hurt anymore because guys, life happens to everyone. It's not कि आप और आपके पास जो होते हैं आप वही देते हो. The lessons you learn from the trials and tribulations, you just show people who you are. And if she has learned rudeness, if anyone has learned rudeness, then of course वो आपको लोगों के सामने they'll move around yelling and crying and being frustrated over things that will not go their way. But imagine living life like that, always cranky, always frustrated, unable to show any gentleness. Life must be really heavy to them. So that's why I feel sympathetic towards her. And I let it go. And that is what I want to share with you guys. When people are rude to you, when you are in a situation where things don't go your way, do not take it personally. Because sometimes it's not a reflection of your mistake, but people's mindset. And once you see things like that, their behavior, their situation, it loses its power over you. So the next time you are thrown into a situation like this, pause, breathe, and remember that nothing defines your worth.